Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to discuss about your described image, which is one of the important section in your speaking module. And as you all know by seeing my other videos that speaking plays an important role. Speaking is like we call it as a backbone of PTE in EnglishWise because it is one of the sections that gives you a lot of transferable scores in your other module. However, describe image is one of the section that gives you that boosts your speaking score. Yeah, now in this particular video I will be showing you how you have to do your describe image and how easily you can boost your score in your speaking module. Please keep in mind one thing as I move ahead with the video or with the slides. There are only 3 parameters on which your speaking is marked. The first is your fluency, second is your pronunciation, and the third is your content. These 3 gives you your score in your speaking module in terms of your described image. Fluency is no pauses, no fillers, no hesitation. Pronunciation is the clarity of words, and your content is how much content are you giving in regards to the image. Yeah. So make sure there are around 6 to 8 questions and it comes after your repeat sentence. It is the third section in a row in your speaking module. Now you get around 6 to 8 questions. You have to speak fluently, you have to speak clearly, and you have to target most of the content. Most important factor, guys. Fluently, clearly, and you have to target most of the content. On the other hand, it is one of the most important section in your speaking module. This will boost your score, taking you one step closer to your desired score. Important one. Let's discuss the quick guide for it. Priority, it is important for your speaking only. Timings, preparation time is 25 seconds. Given time is 40 seconds and ideal time to speak is 30 to 36 seconds. Very important. So you get around the preparation time of 25 seconds wherein you can prepare yourself for that particular image. The given time that the computer is giving you is 40 seconds and the ideal time to speak is 30 to 36 seconds. Content, you must speak at least 15 to 20 keywords from the image. If you can't see any keywords, if nothing is written on the image, just visualize it and see what is there. There's a cloud, there's a face, you can see the eyes, you can see nose. So just make up, but say something related to the image. Very important. Let's discuss the strategy, guys. It is you will be given the template to build your fluency. Now, the good news is that we are sharing our templates on social media platform as well because I don't want because we don't want any student to suffer and not get their desired score. So you have the access to all our templates as well. So the given template to build your fluency. So I will be discussing that as well. Try to get words from all sides of the given image, top, bottom, left and right, very important. Content should be planned beforehand during the preparation time. Try not to hesitate and speak clearly. Now what they're trying to say over here is preparation time and you should be planned beforehand. That means what you're going to speak for that recording time or for that 35 to 36 seconds, you should plan it beforehand. That means in that 25 seconds of preparation time, you're not just looking around or you're not just wasting your time here by looking here and there or by thinking here and there. Yeah. So that 25 seconds should be dedicated in just reading the image and getting to know the content as to what you're going. Now, just a quick tip, guys. The different types of images one may encounter are as follows. Bar graph, pie chart, map, line graph, table, flow chart, picture, Venn diagram. So you might come across some random images as well. So these are the different types of bar graphs or the images that you may encounter. Now let's quickly discuss the hack, guys. Now if you see over there and if you want, you can take a screenshot of this of this as well, of this slide. For the image with less data, so what we are trying to say over here is, when in the image there's less data, you're going to use this template, which is, there is a picture in front of me. I have got 40 seconds to speak about this picture. Let me have a closer look at the picture. After having a closer look, I can see several trends are emerging in the picture. From the image, I can see, you can say any color or object. From the image, I can see this. Overall, the picture gives a lot of information. Now, this is for the image that is having less data. Now, for the image which is having more data, that means a lots of data, then you're going to speak something like this. There is a picture in front of me. I've got 40 seconds to speak about this picture. Let me have a closer look at the picture. After having a closer look, I can see several trends are emerging in the picture, and then you're going to give your data, whatever it is. Yeah, it has to be few words or phrases, Okay. Now, overall, the picture gives a lot of information. It's better if the words are from different areas or parts of image, such as top, bottom, left, and right. Very important, guys. The few emergency lines are on the x-axis, I can see this. On the y-axis, I can see this. On the left-hand side of the image, I can see this. On the right-hand side of the image, I can see this. On the what you can also say, on the left hand side and on the right hand side, the first stage of the process is this, the second stage of the process is this, the third stage of the process is this. You can use such emergency lines as well, and such emergency lines are also mentioned on our Facebook page as well. Now, what I'll do is, I'll quickly give you guys an example on how you have to do your described image. Should be something like this. Let's say I have got this image in front of me. So in my preparation time of 25 seconds, I am not going to read my template, guys, because you've already read your template million times in the labs or in your practice sessions. So please don't waste those 25 seconds in reading out your template. In those 25 seconds, you're just going to read the image. So you can see a bar graph over here, which is oil production capacity, x-axis, y-axis, different countries, there's different colors as well. Okay, so you're going to speak something like this. I have got an image in front of me. I have got 40 seconds to talk about this picture. Let me have a closer look at the picture. While having a closer look, I can see a bar graph which represents the oil production capacity estimated. On the x-axis, I can see different countries like Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and UAE. On the y-axis, I can see millions of barrels per day ranging from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. I can also see different colors such as purple representing 1990, red representing 2000, yellow representing 2005, blue representing 2010. I can also see Saudi Arabia is the highest with more than 14 millions of barrels per day. Overall, the picture gives a lot of information. That's it. You're not going to go too much in detail, guys. You're just going to read out the categories that are mentioned on the image. Yeah? Now, let's say you have image like this one, like pie chart. Yeah? In this one also, you're going to speak something like this. I have got an image in front of me. I have got 40 seconds to talk about this picture. Let me have a closer look at the picture. While having a closer look, I can see several trends are emerging on the picture. On the screen, I can see a pie chart which represents the cattle ranging 65 to 70%. I can also see small scale agriculture 20 to 25%. I can also see large scale agriculture 5 to 10%. I can also see logging that is 2 to 3% and others as 1 to 2%. Overall, the picture gives a lot of information. So this is how you're going to do your described image. So if you come across any difficult image or anything, you can always post in the comment section and we are happy to help you. Thank you.